everybody. I thought that I would come out and shoot another video of me taking out the carbs, and I ran into some more technical difficulty. I did not record it. I took some still pictures of the process though, to at least give you an understanding, and I'm going to try to narrate over it. More work for me, but that was because I screwed up. But I still want to be able to show you and convey what I did. So let's look at the bike, shall we? So when I was looking at this, it looks as if the carbs are held on by 3 boots that hold it onto the engine. I had to take it off with a Phillips screwdriver. Once I got all of those loose, I tried to nudge the carburetor out and down to unseat it from the boots. At this time, I also disconnected the pre-breather hose and worked on pushing it through where the throttle linkage is. After that, I was able to unseat the carbs all the way from the boots, and then I was able to slide the carburetors out laterally. You want to make sure that you have the hose clamps unscrewed enough to allow the flanged end of the carburetor to slip out of the boot, and they should just slide out. Okay, so I took the carbs out. It took me about 20 minutes. Basically what you do is, you can see there's 2 sets of hose clamps on each one of these. You do the one that is closest to the carb. I did all 3 of them because it says 3 carbs. Throttle cable was attached as well. That just kind of slips into a little groove that's in this little piece of metal and slides in, a receiver kind of, and slides in and good to go. The only thing that was hard was this thing that right here, this hose. So this hose is kind of form fitted and it's supposed to snake around the carburetors, and I'll show you a picture. That I took. Like I said, I have like 3 or 4 pictures of the process that I did. But I forgot to hit record, but luckily I did take those pictures. So what is next? Well, let's check out the carburetors and see. Alright, so here are the carbs right here. They are now off. I'm going to clean them up the best I can, and then we will be looking into rebuilding them. So it's probably the last you'll see of these carbs for a little bit. But even though this video is short, I wanted to let you know that progress with the bike is moving forward. If you like what you've seen so far, please, I encourage you to click that like and subscribe button, and please feel free to share my videos on social media with other people who you may feel may benefit from it, because I'm learning and hopefully you're learning alongside of me. The next video will be the disassembly of the carburetors. But until then, stay safe, everybody, and thanks for watching.